so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a monster. There's so many different kinds of monsters. There's scary monsters, there's silly monsters, there's even happy monsters. But today, I'm gonna draw a silly monster. So first, I'm gonna take the green and draw 3 eyes. Yeah, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, this is gonna be a fun monster. Then I'm gonna take purple and draw the body. Ooh, I'm gonna draw around those eyes, just like that. Whoa, and then the body. Whoa, nice and wide. And then I'm gonna take blue and draw some tentacles. Whoa, whoa, wee, squiggly lines. Here's some over here. Whoa, whoa, yeah, that's awesome. What about some legs and feet? Legs and feet. There we go. And then what about the mouth? Yeah, wee! Look at that silly mouth. And there's the tongue right there. And how about some sharp teeth? Oh, is that a silly monster or a silly monster? Well, if you like drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
It's Halloween! It might make you scream, but it's so much fun to go trick-or-treating with everyone. Let's take a look in a haunted house. But I'm not scared, can't say the same for that mouse. Bubbling cauldrons and a witch's broom. Let's go for a ride and sing this tune. Halloween, Halloween night. Put on a costume, ready for a fright. Oh, who's that knocking on the door? Trick or treat, it's Halloween. Let's have fun on Halloween. Come on in, everyone. Black cats, flying bats, pumpkins that talk. There's a funny skeleton that gets up and walks. You have to come and see from near and far. There's a pirate spider who will greet you with an arr. There's so much fun on Halloween. So many costumes and friends to see. Don't forget to go and trick or treat. You'll have lots of candy that we can all eat. Halloween, Halloween night. Put on a costume, ready for a fright. Oh, who's that knocking on the door? Trick or treat, it's Halloween. Let's have fun on Halloween. Oh no! Bones has lost all of his bones. Come on, everyone. Let's help find them quickly now. There's an arm and a leg, but where's the head? There's a hand and a finger, but where does the head linger? There's a foot and a toe, but where did the head go? There's the body and the other arm. Please keep calm. Here's the other leg, but where's the head? Here it is! Halloween, Halloween night. Put on a costume, ready for a fright. Oh, who's that knocking on the door? Trick or treat, it's Halloween. Let's have fun on Halloween. Scary ghosts and witches brew.
Let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!